Hello everyone, welcome to Qubitstats. My name is Steve, and I am one of the founders of Qubitstats. So in the first video, thought it would be a good idea to introduce my company, who we are and what we do. So without further ado, let's get started. Qubitstats is a data science and analytics consulting company. We are a team of highly skilled and experienced data scientists, engineers and analysts who are passionate about helping businesses make better decisions by leveraging the power of data. We specialize in providing a wide range of services, including data mining, data cleaning and pre-processing, building predictive models, statistical analysis, time series analysis, forecasting, and much more. At Qubitstats, we understand that every business is unique, and we take a customized approach to meet the specific needs of our clients. We work closely with them to understand their challenges and develop tailored solutions that help them achieve their goals. Our team of experts has a proven track record of delivering high-quality results on time and within budget. We have worked with a variety of clients across different industries, and we are proud of the long-term relationships that we have built with many of them. Our clients trust us to deliver accurate and reliable insights that help them make informed decisions. In addition to our technical expertise, we also bring a deep understanding of the business domain to every project we undertake. This allows us to ask the right questions and dig deeper to uncover the insights that drive business value. We believe that data should be used to tell a story, and we are skilled at communicating complex data in a clear and concise way that is easy to understand. At Qubitstats, we are committed to staying at the forefront of the data science and analytics industry. We continuously invest in research and development, and we encourage our employees to pursue advanced degrees and certifications. We also participate in industry events, and we are active members of professional organizations. If you are a business looking for a reliable and experienced data science and analytics partner, we invite you to contact us. We would be happy to discuss your needs and show you how our services can help you succeed. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.